Hi, myself Deepak. I did thought the courses like AutoCAD, Groovy, CATIA overall since over a period of 6 months. After that, I do have 2 years of experience in fabrication field in Hyderabad, and I did went to UAE for the same fabrication field. If we learn the AutoCAD, we can have a bright future. This is about myself. And coming to our section, I'm a new trainer for your AutoCAD section. Let's start the section, right? Let's comes to the introduction of AutoCAD. That is our new course. I think you have already thought in your education background what is AutoCAD. Fine, we'll go to next slide, like table of contents. In the left side, you can see the class one, class two that will be scheduled on every day. Now we'll go to the class one, that is AutoCAD fundamental. Yeah, AutoCAD fundamental, nothing but what is the basic of AutoCAD. In the year 1982, Mr. John Walker and other applications start Autodesk community. For the first, they have they have invented the AutoCAD software, that is a system application. The AutoCAD means that is means automating, and CAD is computer aided design. What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is developed by the Autodesk community. In city, the name itself called AutoCAD. We can draw and edit the 2D models and as well as 3D design more quickly and easily instead of by hand. If you do with the hand, it will take time more, and also it will be if we do any editing purpose, it will be look too much messy. If you do with the AutoCAD, it is easy for us. With this software, we can develop 2D and 3D as well as, and the accuracy is to there is no point of any accuracy. Means it will be 100% accuracy if we use this AutoCAD, and we can introduce new designs and new product like. In AutoCAD, we can have the features like easy edit. We can easily edit by using our hand. Uh, it takes more time and faster production. It comes in the manufacturing field. It takes the time. It takes less time while the manufacturing setup. While we see in the CNC machine, if you provide one drawing in the AutoCAD, and it will goes to the programming in the CNC, then the production will be more accurate. While you open the AutoCAD, you can see this window like a graphical representation of AutoCAD that you are going to work in this area. This is called as a workspace. With the help of a combined prod, then with the help of this command prod, you are going to draw. Whether you need to write anything, you need to provide these details here itself. And these are the ribbons. You will study in the next session detailedly. Yeah, we'll go to in the next slide. And this is the overall brief description of this AutoCAD fundamental. Uh, let's see what it is. The object of AutoCAD fundamental is students to create basic 2D design in AutoCAD software, and students can easily draw the 2D drawing in AutoCAD. And the more and so AutoCAD software is more important, and it most computer applications that are likely to encounter, and it's challenging for us if we are drawing anything, right? It covers the core topic for working while AutoCAD software. There are some topics like which will cover by doing the AutoCAD. This is the main things to note it down, like understand the AutoCAD work surface, means how the graphical representation like positive and negative, where the numbering is going on. Using basic drawing and editing. If you draw anything, it needs to be edited and with the modification of tools like cut, paste, like so. Organizing drawing objects on layers. There are many. Then the tool called layers. In that you can provide any type of layer, like any color, any line width. You can specify in this. Inserting reusable symbols like blocks. The blocks nothing but if we have any new thing, we will be sharing, we will be providing object into the library. If at all we do have in future purpose, we will be taking back the back those uh, from the block library. If you take the, if you library, the efficiency is more. Preparing layout to be plotted. After finish printing is print, you can print in the layout, and after drawing we can add the text hatch I mentioned, that is the extra part. And now comes to who uses AutoCAD, means which department. You could see AutoCAD across a wide variety of industries like mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, civil architect, mechanical engineering. In mechanical engineering, it will comes in the design of any manufacturing industry like motor parts or robots, like so. In electrical engineering, in order to draw the electrical wiring system, outline of that one. In civil engineering, you can have many ideas like bridges, roads, any outline of these constructions. In architects, floor plans, interior of a building, like the furniture, you can, furniture is coming, you can specify this. And this is the class 2. This is this will be the section of next day.